All right, putting the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh multi-use transfer pump to work. Pretty much clearing out all the evapor rust from the tank that I had used. I've had this product in here for like a couple of weeks now, and the tank looks great on the inside. If I can snap a good photo or two of it on the inside, I'll attempt to do so under these current lighting conditions. But this pump works great. I've used it already to clear, pump out the radiator fluid from the reserve tank on the CBR 600 and purge everything else out from the radiator itself after removing the washer drain bolt, water pump drain bolt. And so anyway, $3 investment and 5 minutes of time. This is what the package looks like. I think it actually was $5 there at Harbor Freight. But it saves a lot of time. He's getting most of the stuff out there that you don't want circulating. And I'm just pumping it out into this big, huge container here. A little bit more in there still. Just gotta kind of hunt for the stuff. All right. Well, anyway, just want to show you guys how it works a little bit. And have a good day. And for those who haven't been watching, this is the bike that I've been working on. Honda CBR, 1996 Honda CBR 600 F3. Oh yeah, and just to mention too, now that I got you on film, I had done a solder patch job, and I used Permatex ethanol resistant fuel resin there, and I tell you, that's what it looks like. I mean, I've had this under water with the ethanol rust there for about a week or two, and there's been no leaks and no drips. When I put gas in it, hopefully today, I'm gonna attempt the first start real soon, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We'll see what we get, see if I get any other leaks from this thing. I didn't want to buy a new gas tank for 200 bucks. So I figured low-tech solution using this Permatex fuel tank repair would be great also. It was $8. I got it at Advanced Auto Parts. Something like that. I think, yeah, Advanced Auto Parts. You can find it at Napa or O'Reilly as well. And I also got a new fuel petcock, which is the old one, but I've got the new one with the fuel strainer. I'll be putting on there before I put everything together and put it on the tank. Other than that, the tank itself, I thought looked pretty decent. 96. I'll kind of pan over it. You know, everything's there. But like everything else, I want to get it good and running. Get it running at first, then I'll dump money into giving it a full tune-up and making it look all pretty. Alrighty, well, again, have a good, safe day, and have good motorcycling times ahead of y'all.